Hello YouTube, this is Bimmer7 Guy, and this is just going to be an unboxing video of something that I bought that I think is going to be pretty awesome. It is from Autoline Pro, and yeah, let's go ahead and get it unboxed here. Alright, let's see here. Alright. This is the bladder adapter from Autoline Pro. And also, just to let you know, I'm not affiliated with them in any way. That's interesting. One bottle of fluid. This is the gas cap adapter. And then this right here, the VENTUS. Open here. Check that out. All right. Check that out. I feel like I should just try and slide it out of the box now. There we go. Kind of getting stuck in there a little bit. That is pretty awesome little smoke machine. Type C, rechargeable. And in here, you got a little welcome packet. Little flashlight. Says Autoline Pro. Welcome card. Those are always good, especially for a business that's, you know, U.S. run and operated. Here is another bottle of smoke, or smoke fluid. This is the plug adapters. There is the hose. charge cord. This is a hood hook. It's got a user manual, quick start guide here. I honestly think I'm gonna have some fun using this. Try and see how well it works, finding some vacuum leaks. But that truly is pretty awesome. Yeah. And I will be doing a review of this item probably in a couple weeks. I'm gonna try it on a few different cars. Of course, E36. Also going to try it on a Volvo that has a ton of possible vacuum leaks. But yeah, it's going to be fun to play with. All right, well, thank y'all, and y'all have a blessed day. Peace.